What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. I know you have never seen me with the glasses before. Most people have never seen me in glasses before, but I am just so lucky that not only did I get pink eye this week, but I also got a stomach virus. So here we are. But I've obtained a pretty good collection of Danessa Myricks eye products, and I went to do eye swatches and then create 2 looks as well. So I have 4 of the Twin Flame multi-chrome pigments, and I have 2 of the infinite chrome flakes. So I'll do 1 look with 1 of the Twin Flames and 1 look with 1 of the infinite flakes. And the other ones I am going to do live eye swatches for you guys, just so you can really see it on the eye. I did a video before and I did swatch some of them on my hand, but it's just really not the same. So if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. It's not going to be a long video, I promise. Oh, do you guys want to see my new adopted child? Come here, baby. Hi, say hi. He likes to be held like a baby. This is Midnight, and his middle name is Cole, after J. Cole. My friend's son was allergic, so I adopted him. Say hi. Hi. You wanna play with some makeup? Whoa, what's going on with all these lights? Okay. It's too adorable. Okay. So, I don't know how I'm going to do this taking my glasses off. I literally cannot see. So, the newest addition to my collection is, no, not that one, is the Twin Flames Pigment in Soulmate, which I will do a hand swatch too, but like a green with almost a purple in there. Alright, so let's put it on my eyeball. Well, not my eyeball, but you know what I mean. This is really pretty. I'm usually not like a big green eyeshadow person, but I just thought this looked really pretty and wanted to try it. So both. Okay, so that is Soulmate. So next, I think I did a look with this one, so I'm not going to do a look with it this time, but I will swatch it on my eyes. This is Young Love. And this is like a pinkish purple. I love this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I can even see myself in it. Oh, my phone. The camera's broken. Wow. Like, damn. And these stay on forever. Probably longer than I would actually like. Not that, okay. I like that they last so long, but by the time I actually take it off, they're pretty difficult to get off. But hey, they fucking stay in place. I guarantee you that. Okay. And I'm just using this iconic London like cream contour palette I got from BoxyCharm. What's it called? Multi-use sculpting palette. Okay, so I actually just got this one, the Infinite Flakes in Cupid, so I'm going to do a look with this one. So to try for the eye swatch is Sweet Tooth, which I have been wearing so much. Like, oh my gosh, you can kind of tell I'm making a dent in there. So let me get a little brush here. And it's also nice to like lay something down and then, you know, put that over it. Like here, I'm just gonna use this ColourPop eyeliner. Like, you can just do something like this, liquid lipstick or an eyeshadow, and just really makes it pop. Now these are like a pretty chunky consistency, but they're just so gorgeous. Okay, so that is Sweet Tooth. Alright, so next, I can't read. I feel like I should have one more. I think I do. I'm gonna go have to look for it. But in the meantime, I'm going to be putting a more on. And this is like a purple and a blue. I think that actual description is like lilac and periwinkle. Some of them go on a little bit smoother than others. This one still goes on pretty smooth, but I feel like the one I put on before went on a little bit smoother. Oh, but it's just so gorgeous, like I don't care. Okay. Let me just do a swatch of Amore on my hand so you can see it. Okay. Next is Young Love. Ooh, I think this is described as like a pink and opal. So gorgeous. Okay, this is Young Love. Now I have to decide which one I want to use for the look. Okay, so next is Angel Heart. Gorgeous. Okay, so now we're going to do the two different looks. Okay, so the Infinite Chrome Flakes I'm going to be using is in the shade Cupid. Here's what it looks like. I'm really oh wait, I need to put eyeshadow on. Whoopsies, forgot about that part. So I just have these Fenty Beauty Snap shadows here. I'm gonna use, this is in the rose, in rose. And I'm gonna use this light pink here as my transition shade. I'm just gonna put that tightly in my crease. I don't want too much pink. I don't want it to overpower the look. And then I'm going to go in with this dark brown. So the other Infinite Chrome Flakes I tried on, Sweet Tooth, is described as a platinum with baby pink shift. Alright, so now let's try Monarch, or Cupid, my bad. see it's on very smoothly. I'm going to put a little bit more on my brush. Wow, that like really burns actually. It's not the pink eye. No. So I put more on. Ooh. Okay, so I'm not super thrilled with that one. It went on very patchy. So that might be going back to Beautylish, unfortunately. Okay, let's do a look with the Twin Flames pigment. I am going to be using Crazy For You. So I'm going to be using this other one I have, the brownish toned one. I get so many compliments on these Twin Flames when I wear them. And if I were to have to choose between the Twin Flames and the Infinite Flakes, I would definitely go with the Twin Flames Pigments if you're interested in trying one of them. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this middle shade here. And I'm going to take this Tasty Peach palette by Makeup Revolution and go in with Butter Almond. Okay, so now let's go in with Crazy For You. This was the first one I bought actually. And if you want to be more precise, you can always use a brush. So I'm just going to darken up the outer corner with a dark color. And then I'm going to put some of this Kat Von D tattoo liner on. No, not because it is completely dried out. Okay, let's try this Wander Beauty Highline eyeliner. I cannot see. Oh wow, this is legit the worst eyeliner application in the history of all eyeliner applications. I can't see anything. I don't even, let's see how eyeliner performs on this one. I don't think it's gonna perform very well because of how chunky it is. And now it's kind of like dragging. Not that I can put eyeliner on very well as it is right now. But yeah, that's not working. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this Ofra Good To Go palette. So for the side with the Chrome Flakes, I'm gonna use the pink highlighter. And for the other side, I will use Okay, so I can't wear mascara because of the pink eye, but I will put on some lashes and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. I'm really disappointed in this infinite flakes. I'm so blind. But just to show you guys how long wearing these are, when I was changing them into my dress, I didn't want to get the swatches on it, so I didn't have my makeup wipes because they were here, so I tried to use a baby wipe and like it didn't touch them. So I'm not happy with this side at all. It burned going on. It's still like very uncomfortable and it just went on super patchy. I'm not impressed at all. I'm going to be returning that. I mean, I love this side. I love this eyeshadow. And I really just love these twin flame pigments all together. I haven't tried one that I didn't like. So yeah, I hope this was helpful if you guys are interested in buying one and trying it out. So if you do, or if you have, let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.